Hello, what's up everyone? So today in this video we will be seeing the comparison between Vivo V20 versus the Samsung Galaxy M51. So Vivo worked great in the Indian market and ranked in the top 5 smartphone brand in India. Also Vivo V20 launched recently and made it a fair competition with all new Samsung Galaxy M51. As Vivo V20 and Samsung Galaxy M51, both the devices belong to the same price segment. We have now compared these two smartphones. In this video we will discuss about Vivo V20 versus the Galaxy M51 features. So there will also be a Vivo V20 versus Samsung Galaxy M51 specs chart to understand to you guys better. So moreover we will also discuss Vivo V20 versus Galaxy M51 prices in India and give you the perfect winner from both the devices. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first is the Vivo V20 versus Galaxy M51 features. So the display and the battery. Firstly, Vivo V20 comes with a feature of 6.44 inches Full HD Plus display panel with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. Moreover, the device has an AMOLED display panel that feels like a cherry on the cake as it makes the display look gorgeous. Also, it comes with a 20:9 ratio for a better view. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy M51 features a massive 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display panel with a 1080 into 2400 pixels. The device comes with an Infinity O Super AMOLED display, giving it the upper hand on the display end. Moreover, the M51 also has a 20:9 aspect ratio for the display. Now talking about the battery. Vivo V20 comes with a 4000 mAh battery capacity with 33 watt fast charging support. Now moving to the Samsung Galaxy M51. It comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery capacity with a slightly slower fast charging of 25 watt. Also the Samsung Galaxy M51 sports reverse charging that gives an extra feature here. Here again the decision is pretty straightforward. Samsung has done a better job in the battery part. So next is the processor. Talking about the processor, Vivo V20 comes with a Qualcomm powered Snapdragon 720G and at 8 nanometer processor. It is an octa-core processor featuring 2 into 2.3 GHz Cairo 465 gold and 6 into 4 1.8 GHz Cairo 465 silver cores, and on the GPU end it comes with Adreno 618. Now moving to the Samsung Galaxy M51, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, which is a 8 nanometer based on gaming octa-core processor featuring 2 into 2.2 GHz Cairo 470 gold and 6 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 470 silver cores. This also features the same Adreno 618 GPU. However, as the name suggests, 730G Snapdragon has the upper hand due to slightly better CPU performance. So here also Samsung meets our expectation in a better way. That is why the processor part also will incline towards the Samsung Galaxy M51. So let's begin to the camera. Here we go to the camera part that matters a lot for some users. Firstly, talking about the Vivo V20 comes with a triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel 1.9 aperture primary sensor and 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra wide sensor and a 120-degree field of view with a 2 megapixel depth sensing 2.4 aperture camera. Now moving to the Samsung Galaxy M51. It features a quad rear camera setup featuring a 64 megapixel 1.8 aperture primary sensor, 12 megapixel with a 2.2 aperture ultra wide sensor with a 123-degree field of view, a 5 megapixel with 2.4 aperture macro sensor, and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera with an aperture of 2.4. So here also it is clear that the Samsung Galaxy M51 has got the upper hand. Talking about the selfie camera, Vivo V20 comes with a 44 megapixel selfie camera and the Samsung Galaxy M51 has got a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So number wise Vivo gets the upper hand. However, Samsung has not played the number game, so Samsung's 32 megapixel camera may outperform with Vivo V20. So below the specs chart comparing the Vivo V20 versus Samsung Galaxy M51 head to head. So the model Vivo V20 and Samsung Galaxy M51. Network are dual phones are available in 4G. Display is Vivo's 6.44 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display and Galaxy M51 has 6.7 inches Full HD Plus S AMOLED display. So the platform is Vivo V20 with a Snapdragon 720G with FunTouch OS 11 based on Android 10, and Galaxy M51 has Snapdragon 730G, One UI 2.0 based on Android 10. So the battery is Vivo's V20 4000 mAh battery with support of 33 watt fast charging, and of M51 it has a 7000 mAh battery with support of 25 watt fast charging. So the camera of Vivo V20 64 megapixel primary plus 8 megapixel ultra wide plus 2 megapixel depth, and of Galaxy M51 64 megapixel primary plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus 5 megapixel macro plus 5 megapixel depth. So the RAM and storage of Vivo V20 is 8 GB plus 128 GB or 256 GB, and it of Galaxy M51 is 6 GB plus 128 GB or 8 GB plus 128 GB. Others, though the Vivo V20 has a under display fingerprint scanner, USB Type C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS, and also the Galaxy M51 has side mounted fingerprint sensor, USB Type C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. So the price of Vivo V20 starts from 24,990, and price of Galaxy M51 starts from 24,999. So the is the base variant of Vivo V20 has got the price of 24,990, that comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Its higher end variant with 8 GB and 256 GB ROM comes at price of 27,990, whereas the Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with around 24,999 at the base of variant with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Its higher end variant with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM comes at the price of 26,999. Here Vivo V20 has gone slightly better because of more RAM storage. Vivo V20 versus Samsung Galaxy M51, who wins the battle? So seeking all the comparison above, you all may have already guessed the winner if you know the term. However, we will explain the difference between both the devices so that a non-techie guy will get a better idea about it. So Samsung gets the upper hand on display, battery, processor and camera as it comes with a better specs as you have seen above. Moreover, Samsung also goes slightly down on the charging speed, having the 25 watt, whereas Vivo has the 33 watt under display fingerprint scanner, and Vivo comes with rupees 9 less than Samsung Galaxy M51. Well, jokes apart, Samsung has got the upper hand with the great features and specs. So we have our clear winner as Samsung Galaxy M51. So did you guys like the Vivo V20 versus Samsung Galaxy M51 specs comparison? Which one will you go for? Let us know in the comments below, and keep an eye on the further videos from my channel. If so, that's for the today's video, guys. If you're new to our channel, make the channel subscribe and make the bell notification all as you will get all the notifications of our videos in further. So thanks for watching till then. Have a nice day.